another one we have is Maruti Suzuki. What's the call on that?
It is the India's largest original equipment manufacturer when it comes to automobiles, is expected to report a jump of 42% increase in its net profits for the quarter ended this September from year-on-year, the same quarter last year. Now, this is basically on the back of a favorable product mix, the price hikes that have been undertaken by Maruti, and some of the softening of commodity prices. They are expected to announce their results today. Now, as per average estimates, Maruti is poised to post a net profit of 2,921 crores in the second quarter compared to 2,061 crores during the same period last year. The company's revenue from operations is expected to increase to 35,218 crores, marking an increase of 23% on an year-on-year period.
Wow.
During the same quarter last year, Maruti's revenue stood at 28,543. So that's quite a bit, 23% jump there. EBITDA margin is expected to be about 11.1%, up more than 180 basis points on an year-on-year basis. So Maruti, because of their price increases that they've undertaken, softening of commodity prices, is expected to post very, very decent results when it comes to revenue, margins, or even net profits.
I mean, looking at the expectations, despite that, festive season not falling in the previous quarter, we are expecting a 23% year-on-year rise in revenue. I think that figure really stands out for me. And, I think a 50% increase in net profit is also expected, right?
Yes. 42%.
So 42%. I think some of that will come off because of the softening of input costs. But then we also can expect some sort of efficiencies for the company, operational efficiencies improving over a year-on-year basis. I'm also looking at the stock of Maruti Suzuki, Amit, this morning. The stock is up about 1%, currently trading above the 10,500 mark. And I mean, let's look at the historical returns also of Maruti Suzuki. In the last 1 month, it's down about 1.26% compared to its peers, Tata Motors and Mahindra. Tata Motors is actually up about 1%, whereas Mahindra has been a laggard. It's down about 5.6%. On a 6-month basis, pretty much Mahindra and Maruti are in line, giving returns of about 21 to 22%. Tata Motors, on the other hand, has been an outperformer, up about 30% or so. Also looking at the brokerage calls, I mean, the estimates that I can read, around 17 analysts are expecting, an average target of about 10,900 rupees on Maruti Suzuki, which implies an upside of about 3.5% from current levels. I mean, we saw Motilal Oswal raising the target price, so I think to the tune of 11,900 on the stock. So around a 12 to 13% upside over there. So things are looking really bullish for Maruti Suzuki.